Hello everyone, we are Group 4 and would like to present about the surface quality analysis of JNA. Our group members are myself, Shifa Aulia, and my friend Konita, Devlin, Fatul, and Tias. Okay, the first background. Shipping services are facing increasing fierce competition as the demand for fast, secure, and accurate delivery grows. JNA, as one of the large shipping companies in Indonesia, is required to maintain service quality in order to meet customer expectation. However, there are still complaints regarding delivery delays and inaccurate tracking information and slow complaint handling. Therefore, the implementation of ICO standard and the total quality management or TQM approach is necessary to identify service issue and formulate appropriate improvement strategies. Next, objective. This study aims to analyze the quality of GNS survey as the ICO and total quality management or TQM approach. In addition, this study aims to identify the main factor causing service problems through Pareto chart and fishbone diagrams, as well as to formulate service improvement strategy that can increase reliability, responsiveness, and customer satisfaction.
Okay, next, literature review. The International Organization for Standardization, ICO, is an international standard used to ensure consistent product and service quality. ICO 9001 emphasizes to implementation of quality management system through a process approach, risk control, and continuous improvement, thereby helping organization improve reliability and customer satisfaction. In addition, ICO 27001 focus on information security management system to protect data and ensure information accurate, which is very important for digital-based service components. Total quality management, or TQM, is a management approach that emphasizes the involvement of all elements of the organization in continuous quality improvement effort. TQM use various analytical tools such as Pareto charts to determine the priority of key issue and fishbone diagram to identify the root cause of problem. By implementing TQM, organization can improve process effectiveness, reduce service error, and achieve optimal customer satisfaction. Next, analysis and discussion. International Standard of Standardization, or ICO standard at JNA, play an important role in maintaining and improving service quality. ICO 9001 2015 is used reference in a quality management system that emphasizes process consistently, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. Through this standard, every stage of JNS service, from package, receipt, and sorting to delivery to customer, has well documented and controlled producer. This helps reduce the risk of delay and delivery error, as well as improve service reliability and assurance to customer. In addition, JNA also implementation ICO 27001 2022, which focus on information security management system. This standard is highly relevant because JNA operation rely on digital systems such as MyJNA application and tracking service. With the implementation of ICO 27001, customer data security, delivery information accuracy, and digital system stability can be better guarded. As a result, customer trust in JNS service has increased, especially in terms of assurance and reliability.
So the next one that I'm going to explain is the Total Quality Management, or TQM, is applied in this study to ensure continuous improvement in JNA service quality. TQM emphasized the involvement of all organizational elements in identifying service problem, and improving process. In this analysis, TQM tools such as the Pareto chart and fishbone diagram are used to identify service quality gaps, particularly in delivery reliability and responsiveness, so that improvement efforts can be focused on the most critical issues. Next. Next, sorry. So this is the Pareto chart, shows that most customer complaints at JNA are concentrated in a few key service quality dimensions. The largest portion of complaints is related to reliability, including delivery delays and inaccurate delivery time estimates. Responsiveness in the second most significant factor, mainly due to slow customer service responses and complaints handling. Based on the Pareto principle, focusing improvement efforts on reliability and responsiveness will have the greatest impact on enhancing overall service quality. Next.
Next is fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram are used to identify the root cause of low reliability and responsiveness of JNS services. In terms of human resources, inconsistencies in service between employees and suboptimal coordination between divisions were found. In terms of method, there are still weaknesses in the implementation of SOPs, especially in updating package status and handling complaints which are not yet fully standardized. And from a technological perspective, the main problem lie in the accuracy of the tracking system and the limitation of my JNA application, which does not yet fully support real-time data updates. Meanwhile, in terms of facilities, limitation in warehouse capacity and sorting system, especially during periods of high shipping volume, also affect the speed and accuracy of the services. It is this combination of factors that has led to a decline in service quality in areas that are most noticeable to customer. And as we can see, that is the fishbone diagram for JNA. Next. For the strategy recommendation, JNA services improvement strategy began with a quick win measure resulting from QFD or House of Quality analysis, namely lightening the package handling SOP supported by monitoring the critical point in the service blueprint to ensure the accuracy of field data. To address the root cause identified in the fishbone diagram and the main complaints highlighted in the Pareto chart, JNE must integrate ISO 9001 2015 complaint handling with a 1x24-hour solution target and implement ISO 27001 2022 to ensure the security of tracking data. Finally, facilities capacity constraint must be addressed through the long-term strategies such as warehouse modernization and sorting system automation. Next.
Okay, for the conclusion, overall JNA has a fairly good service system supported by the implementation of ISO standard. The use of the TKM tools such as Pareto chart and fishbone diagram helps the company identify key issues in a more structured manner. However, there is still a gap between customer expectation and service performance, especially in terms of reliability and responsiveness. Therefore, improvement focus on this area are key to improving the quality of JNS service. Next. Next. And for the recommendation, as a recommendation, JNE needs to prioritize improving delivery timeline and customer service response speed. Strengthening SOPs Improving tracking system accuracy and improving interdivision coordination must be carried out continuously. Regular service quality evaluation, support by employee training, and technology investment are expected to increase customer satisfaction and strengthen JNE competitiveness in the delivery service industry. Next. And this for our documentation. Okay, next. Okay, thank you for listen, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.